round 12, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, a front post double crochet, around front post double crochet, a single crochet into 1 chain space, chain 1, a single crochet into next 1 chain space, chain 1, a single crochet into next, then chain 1, a single crochet, now a front post double crochet around a front post double crochet, a double crochet top of single crochet. We continue this pattern and I come back here. We have to make 4 single crochet and 3 1 chain space here. For close round 12, after the last front post double crochet, we make a slip stitch top of first double crochet, 1 2 3, top of this 3 chain. Now round 12 is finished. Round 13, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, make front post double crochet around this front post, another front post double crochet around the same, a single crochet into 1 chain space, now chain 1, another single crochet into next, chain 1, another single crochet into next, now 2 front post double crochet around next, another double crochet top of this, a double crochet top of this double crochet, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round. And I come back here, round 13. One more time I want to show you how to crochet this and close round. Okay, 2 front post double crochet around front post double crochet, a single crochet in 1 chain space, chain 1, a single crochet into 1 chain space, chain 1, a single crochet into next 1 chain space, now 2 front post double crochet around front post double crochet, 1, second one, you should make top of this like this. Now for close round 13, we make a slip stitch top of first double crochet, 1 2 3, top of this 3 chain, slip stitch, round 13 finish. Round 14, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet around the next front post double crochet, 1 and 2, a single crochet into 1 chain space, chain 1, a single crochet into next, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1, second one should be top of this, 2, a front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, a double crochet, top of double crochet, it's like this. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here